So freedom of will is the most valuable asset of your attention. You can direct your attention, and that's where freedom of will manifests. And the thing is, once you stop manifesting your freedom of will within the spiritual realm, the material space-time realm organizes magically by itself. Yo, talking about placebo. What's placebo? Placebo is like when things organize according to your mind state. When you use placebo mindfully, you can attribute any process in your life, any event in your life, attribute it the way you want, and then placebo will work on your side consciously. It's not like random stuff. So mindfully using placebo effect to, let's put it this way, reality space-time is the generation which generates upon a prompt you create within your soul. So you can attribute this event either positively or automatically, whatever. And once you get a hold of control, what attributes are being assigned to whatever venture you head on to in your life, that makes this magical law of nature work for you. That's called manifestation. So practical example of it is when you start something, just tell yourself that's gonna be a beautiful day. And once you honestly believe it, the freedom of will, and if you want, placebo will act on your side, and this day will have no other direction but going your way, because you told it. Another bike day, this time in the mountains. Why stretching is important? Because stretching is an essential part of growing your muscle naturally without any fucking chemicals. It's a muscle workout, resistance training, and stretching. These two amplify each other. They create a coherent effect. So muscles need stretching to grow. So what comprises a healthy snack in an unhealthy world? Iron, quite a bit of salt, which is electrolytes, and the local stuff, which is like fermented milk.